Hello viewers, and welcome to Dialogue with Donna. The government of the Republic of Trinidad and Tobago has been providing you with frequent updates as we work together to fight the spread of COVID-19. Today, I want to share with you the social support measures that have been put in place by the Ministry of Social Development and Family Services in response to COVID-19. Citizens who have food cards will receive additional support for an initial period of 3 months. This 3-month top-up will be done by mid-April. You will receive $150 for households of up to 3 persons, $300 for households of up to 4 to 5 persons, and $400 for households with 6 or more persons. Additionally, all 41 members of Parliament will be responsible for delivering 50 food cards to families with children who already receive school feeding and do not currently have a food card. Each family will receive food card support of $510 per month for 3 months for households where a family member was retrenched, terminated, or income reduced during this period. A parent will be asked to sign a statutory declaration to ensure that their intentions are honest. The Ministry of Social Development and Family Services will work closely with the Ministry of Education to identify households that receive meals from the school feeding program, but who do not receive food support. Where there are children under 18 years of age, the grant will be extended for a further period, but will not exceed 3 additional months. If you receive public assistance or disability grant from the ministry, you will receive income support for an initial period of 3 months. If the public assistance grant is paid to one person, or in the case of a disability grant for a child, you will receive $150. For a family of 2 persons, you will receive $300, and for a family of 4 or more persons, you will receive $500. You will receive your normal payment in April. The 3 additional months will be paid in a separate check or direct deposit payment later in the month. If a member of a family who receives public assistance becomes unemployed, that person will receive income support under the public assistance grant for a period not exceeding 3 months. Where there are children under 18 years old, the grant will be extended for a further period of no more than 3 months. The Ministry of Social Development and Family Services will also be providing rental assistance for a maximum of $2,500 for an initial period of 3 months, but no more than 6 months for households where the breadwinner is no longer employed or the household income has been reduced due to a cut in salary. Rental assistance will be for persons whose rent is outstanding from March the 30th, 2020 and not before that time. Rental assistance will be provided per month for an initial period of 3 months. With regard to the socially displaced in our society, the ministry will be providing additional support to non-governmental organizations to ensure that meals are provided for lunch and dinner in order to prevent persons from roaming the streets. For further updates, you can go to the Facebook page of the Ministry of Social Development and Family Services or call the toll-free number 800-1MSD-1673. The Minister of National Security, the Honorable Stuart Young, recently confirmed that as of midnight on Sunday, March the 22nd, all borders into Trinidad and Tobago will be completely closed to nationals and non-nationals at airports and seaports. This may sound like, a drastic measure, but it is necessary in order to stem the spread of COVID-19. It is time that we recognize that COVID-19 has no respect for national borders, political systems, or cultural values. This disease has brought the world to its knees, and how we respond to it is what really matters. According to a World Health Organization report, a person that is infected with COVID-19 can spread it to an average of 2.6 persons. Human intervention is what is needed to break this cycle and ensure public safety. The government is working hard to flatten the curve and curb the spread of this virus, but we can only do it with your help. Follow the guidelines set by the government of Trinidad and Tobago. Some measures may seem extremely restrictive, but it's only with your cooperation that we can beat this. Discipline and tolerance, two of our country's watchwords, which are now more relevant than ever. Keep updated by liking the Ministry of Communications on Facebook and follow us on Instagram, Twitter, and LinkedIn. And until next time, be safe and be blessed.
This was a production of the Ministry of Communications.